So the next award, it's Hershko International Biochemistry Award. And this award goes to Gregory Knipp. Purdue University. Oh, the field is wrong, by the way. You see, well, it's pharmacy, not mitochondria. It's a pharmacy. But here in the certificate is correct. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. You deserve it. That's the award.
Thank you.
Hershko International Biochemistry Award. Gregory. Let's go this way to have our award. So you keep it this way, look at that prize. Say a few words.
Well, I'd like to join the chorus of everyone who said that this was unexpected and unrealized. I appreciate my ability to come here today and talk to Florian. I met him in Tokyo and he invited me to this meeting to talk a little bit about pediatric formulations and how we could build on putting out formulations throughout the world. And it's been a great honor. I am humbled to be in your company because most of you have done an incredible job in your lives. I just only hope that I can do my little part and help make the world a little better, especially with children. Thank you so much, and thank you, Florian.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.